Welcome to Nova Neruda, our farm in Petrolina. Today you will take a tour of our farm and operation hub in Petrolina. This is an immersive 360-degree experience. Move the screen or look around to explore every detail in this video.
Our farm, Nova Neruda, currently spans 319 hectares, with 150 already planted. We also work with 25 partner producers, bringing our total production area over to 900 hectares.
Thanks to the São Francisco River, exceptional water quality and volume, and the climate conditions of the northeastern Brazil, the Valley São Francisco is a powerhouse of irrigated fruit production. And this is the only place in the world that you can prune twice with very high and good quality of fruit.
With the 100 automated system, we can program the exact amount of water and nutrients for each plant at every stage of the cycle. This modern and sustainable technology allows for much more effective nutrition.
Using modern equipment like drones and advanced technology, our team monitors the phytosanitary health of our vineyards daily, combating pests and diseases. This ensures an excellent productive potential at the end of the cycle.
We are always looking for do the best and offer the best quality of grapes. We have over 200 hectares already covered with plastic. This investment gives the guarantee and security to our customer that we can deliver every time, on time, and a very good conditions of fruit.
As most of the activities during the grapes journey, the harvest is carried out with careful labor, predominantly by women. It is crucial that the grape bunches receive the necessary attention from planting to harvest.
Our packing house, located in our farm, has the capacity to pack 55 tons per day, along with cold storage for up to 300 pallets, allowing us to maintain the fruit's quality. After harvesting, the grapes are transported to our operations hub, FLK, the largest and most modern cold storage facility in the São Francisco Valley. It spans 10,000 square meters of built-up area. Of those 10,000 square meters, 6,000 square meters are dedicated to cold areas, cold rooms, cooling tunnels, and refrigerated shipping areas. This results in a storage capacity for up 1 million kilograms of fruit, ensuring temperature and humidity monitoring.
In addition to our infrastructure, we have a well-trained and prepared team based at FLK to oversee and support operations. Our shipping operation has 8 refrigerated platforms certified by the Brazilian Ministry of Agriculture for thermal treatment, a requirement for exporting to certain destinations, particularly the United States. Loading is done in refrigerated trucks with a traceability monitor system. This ensures that the temperature is monitored at every moment, even remotely, guaranteeing the fruit's quality until it reaches its final destination.
We hope you enjoy learning a little bit more about our farm and operation hub. Every stage we have nice people working on the farm, and they with a very big dedication to guarantee the highest quality possible. Thank you for your visit and see you next time.